Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove tangled hair from MOVA Z60 Ultra brushes. The hair may get tangled on the brushes, especially if you have pets, but also human hair gets tangled. And now to remove it, you should flip your robot over and then find the brushes. So it may get stuck on the side brush, then you may need to unscrew it with a screwdriver right here and then remove the hair, but typically it gets stuck on the main brush. Shouldn't get stuck there too often since the main brush is actually built in a way that should prevent it from getting stuck with hair, but there will be some stuck anyway. So squeeze these two buttons right here and open the cover. Now you can remove the brushes, and the hair that gets tangled can be cut with a knife or scissors. Once it's done, you can put them back in. You can also rinse the brushes. You can see there's this orange and the gray hole, and there's the orange and gray part. So they should just be inserted correctly. Then you can close the cover. The cover, as you can see, has these notches here on the top, and they should go first towards the front. Then as second thing, you should press in the other part, the part with the buttons, towards the back. Once it clicks in, make sure it's steady. It is going to move, but the whole mechanism should move and not just the cover. Yeah, I think it sits nicely in my case, so I'll just put it back in. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.